So I've been doing this, and I've been doing a few things, and I've discovered, you know, there's not a lot of sounds. Sounds really need to be updated as I go through and add some. I'll show you one of them. I have something also for the elevator, but the elevator needs... I just tested it. I'm not sure if it works. Wait, you know what? Hold on. Please go away. No, okay. And save. So, like, that door needs a sound. This door and keypad could really use a sound. Nothing, you know, too extraordinary. It's just some stuff could, you know, use some sounds. The one thing I'm trying to get to decides to, it's just where it needs to be. That door also can use a sound. But just to show you, so this is kind of a long one. I just kind of like it because it's got that water. It's kind of but yeah, not a whole lot. I'll probably be doing sounds for the next few days. But yeah, that's it. I will see you guys later.